Paragraph unity. Paragraph unity as an idea is pretty straightforward. Each body paragraph in an essay should form a whole in which the sentences directly relate to the subject and the controlling idea of the topic sentence. In turn, the topic sentence must relate directly to the thesis statement. In this way, a good essay is logical and unified throughout. Pause the video for a moment and read this paragraph. When you are finished, begin the video again. This paragraph clearly lacks unity. The writer established himself as the subject, and what he wants to tell the reader about himself, the controlling idea, is that he is messy. Every sentence, then, should contribute to supporting or explaining this. The first part of the paragraph does an adequate job of establishing a lifelong pattern of messiness, but beginning with the sentence, "But my engagement has changed everything," the writer shifts his focus from his messiness to the effects love has on his life. While we, as readers, can clearly see the violation of paragraph unity here, the writer may not. For him, his messiness and love are part of the same change in his life. But for the reader's sake, he has to make the details of his life conform to the expectations of paragraph structure. If he wants to change his focus on how much his fiancée changed him, then he needs to begin a new paragraph with a new topic sentence. If you have any doubt about whether or not some detail belongs in a paragraph, simply look at the topic sentence and decide whether the detail supports it or not. Pause the video for a moment and read this paragraph. When you are finished, begin the video again. In this paragraph, every sentence communicates a piece of information about Frank Lloyd Wright's houses as they relate to their surrounding environment. Though this paragraph is short, it is very effective due to the unified focus of the details. When it comes to paragraph unity, always remember to keep it together. Just look to your topic sentence.